In this video you will see how you can quickly make a website in just 5 simple steps. After watching this video you will be able to create any kind of website just like this. And by the end of this video you are gonna have tons of professional free design templates to get you started. And you will be able to adjust any templates as your wish by using this easy drag and drop method. So don't miss this video out and watch till the end to learn how to do it. I am Mahir from makeawebsite.com and let's start making this website. Okay, so before we start you need to first click the link below this video. So I'm going to click this link and it will take you this page. Now we're going to do this in just 5 steps. Okay, the first step is pick a name of your website. Now I already have a picket name which is makeasiteeasy.com. So I'm going to search for it. Okay, so you can see the name is available. Once you get the name, you can go to the next step which is get hosting and domain. Hosting and domain are two things which you need for launching a website. Hosting is a place where your website files be stored. Domain is the name of your website. So to get a hosting and domain, let's scroll down and click Get Hosting and Domain. This will take you hostgator.com, where we are going to buy hosting and domain. So let's click the Get Started. And we're just going to choose a hatchling plan. So click on Buy Now. And then we're just going to enter our domain name, which we chose earlier. So I'm going to enter makeasiteeasy.com. And then scroll down. And let's uncheck all of the add-ons that we don't need. Then we can make sure that here we have a hatchling plan. And it's gonna ask us how many months we want to sign up for. The longer amount of the months is bigger discount, so it's definitely smarter to go with the longer months. But I am just gonna spend least that I can, so I'm just gonna with the 1 month at time. And then enter in your email address. And enter it again to confirm. And the password. And then enter any 4-digit number for a PIN. Then enter your billing info. So I'm going to do that quickly. And uncheck all additional services that we don't need. So we can now see that it's $24.63. But if you enter my coupon code, MAKEASY, MAKEASY, that's gonna down to $13.75. This is the best discount that you can get and I do get credit for it, so it's a win-win situation. Agree with the term of services and click the checkout now. Okay, now we have completed the payment and we have got our hosting and domain. Now let's go to step 3, which is to install WordPress. Now we are going to use a WordPress because it makes it very easy to build a website without knowing any programming or coding. So to install WordPress, just go to here and scroll down and click on one-click installs. And then click on Site Builders and we click on WordPress. So then just select your domain name and click Next. Then enter in all your information like your site title, admin user, your first name, last name, and email address. Agree with the term of services and click Install. Now your installation is complete and there you can see your login details. Just copy your password and open up new tab, go to your site name, /wp-admin, and here you can log in. If you are not seeing this login page, no worries, you just have to wait, because HostGator has to send out new domain name every server in the world. So just enter your username and password. And press login. Confirm email is correct. So great. Here we are in WordPress dashboard. From here you will be able to control your website. So once you reach your WordPress dashboard, this means your website is live. Next thing, we are going to delete all unnecessary plugins that are on your website. So we're going to click on plugins and then click this plugin box. It will select them all. And from drop down, choose deactivate and apply. Then click the plugin box again and choose delete and apply. Once you do that, all unnecessary plugins that are automatically installed by hosting company will be deleted and your website will start from fresh and clean. So now just go to users, all users, and then click on your username and then scroll down and we're going to change password. So click on generate password and delete that one and then write in your new password. And then click on update profile. Cool, password is changed. So next, in order to easily edit our website, we are going to install new theme. The new theme is called Astra. So to install theme, let's go here, click on themes, and now click add new, and search for Astra. So we are going to install this theme. Just click install and activate. Okay, theme is activated. Next, we are going to install a plugin which comes with this theme. So by installing the plugin, we will be able to easily customize our theme. So to install that plugin, let's go to plugin and then click add new. And now search for plugins called Astra. And then install this plugin. So click on install now. And then click activate. So Astra site plugins now installed. Now this plugin has set of designs for your website which you can choose and then apply it to your site. So to see these designs, let's click see library. And then click Elementor. So these are designs. And now you can choose any design you like. So I'm going to choose this design. And you can see how the site looks like. If you want to apply this design to your site, go to back. Click on import complete site. Then import. Once it's done, we can now view the site. Okay, as you can see, demo has been imported into our website. And this is how it looks. And you can see this other page which also has a demo content. So once you have got a design into your site, you can go to final step, which is edit the content. So to edit any page of your site, you just have to go into the page and click edit with Elementor. So let's say you want to edit the home page, you just simply click home and then click edit with Elementor. And now you will go into this editing section. So let's say you want to change text here. You just select the text and then start typing anything you want. So I'm going to type make a site easy. And now if you want to change text on this button, just click here and change text on this button here. So the same way you can edit any text you want on this page. Just select the text and then start typing. So this works throughout the website. Now if you want to change this image, you just click it, select the image here and drag and drop your image. So once you are done with your change, you can simply save the page by clicking update. And all your changes will be saved. Now you can view page by clicking here. So you can see the all changes are here. So now you know how you can edit any page of your site. Next, we are going to see how you can change the header area of your website. Now by using Elementor, you will be able to change this part of your website. But if you want to change this area, which is the header, you can do it by going to Customize option. So let's go to Customize. Now you can see that there are some blue icons. If you want to change this logo, just click this blue icon and change logo here. Now the same way you can change the menu section by clicking these icons. Once you are done with change, just click the publish and they will be published on your site. Now let's close this and go back to our site. Okay, now if you want to change this area, which is a footer, you can do it by going to footer option. So let's go to footer. And let's say if you want to change this text, you just select the text and start typing. If you want to change this menu section, you just click on it and change it here. So with the same way, you can change everything here. Okay, so we saw how to edit header and the footer area. Now, what if you want to add a new page? It's very simple. All you need to do, you need to go into this new and click page. Now let's say you want to create a service page for your website. You need to first enter title and now start creating page, just click edit with Elementor. So now it will take you to the blank section. And now you have three options to create your page. First you can either use these elements which are over here and then drag and drop them into this area. For example, if you want to add a heading, you can drag and drop this element here and enter your text. And to add an image, you can drag and drop this element. So drag and drop here and start creating your page. Now other ways to create your page is by using templates. Now templates are ready-made page which you can import into your site. So let's click here. And you will find a lot of designs here. Now if you want to use any designs, simply click it, see how it's look like. If you like it, just click insert to get it into your page. And now you can see that we have got designs into our page. Now again, like we did before, you can change anything on this page just by selecting it and typing anything you want. This is how it works. Once you are done with change, just click publish and view page. So that's it guys. This is how you can add new page to your site. So now you know how you can launch your site by getting domain and hosting, import the demo content, and then edit it to make your own website. So if you are ready to start making your own website, just click here. It will take you to the page which we say in the first step, which was choosing your domain. So just pick a domain and build your website. So see you in next video. Bye bye.